How's it going today, guys? Today, I got the 64 El Camino in the shop. One thing I really wanted to focus on this car was the interior. It's very torn up. It's really, really moldy and pretty crappy. The rear window seals on these 64 El Caminos are really bad. Over time, as you drive them, they wear out. Just with the way that the wind hits it in the back, it actually warps the rear window a little bit as you're driving. And as I said, it's really moldy on the inside. It's really bad. The seat's really torn. It's just a really bad interior. And I'm hoping to get some buckets in it. There are no seatbelts actually for this year. This is one of the vehicles that they didn't have to have a seatbelt in. So I do want to do a 4-point safety harness if possible. But that would require me welding in a brace for it. Right now I don't really know what kind of seat I want to do. It kind of depends on if I can get a 4-point safety harness in it or not. But I'm gonna kind of just really gotta get down into it and start tearing out the seat and the carpet and pretty much just looking at what this interior holds for me. Alright, now that I got the seat out, yeah, it's pretty nasty. But thankfully, these El Caminos, they come with a 2-piece carpet, so easy as that to really kind of remove these. It's not that hard. Floor's actually not as bad as I was thinking so far from what I saw, but I'm gonna pull this carpet up and see what there is. Alright, I have both of the carpet out, or both pieces of the carpet out, and there's still this black stuff that easily comes up. I'm probably just going to ditch this because there's still a lot. I mean, there's sitting water right here. So I'm going to, okay, floor is from one way. So there is some floor pans that I do have to replace, which, I mean, we'll probably just do the same thing we did to the Camaro, which we'll just, we'll get the plate, and then we'll just rivet it in. That seems to work. Actually, we'll probably cut that out and then rivet the piece in, but I'm gonna take all these pieces out real quick, just so we can somewhat stop all of this water. We can get it dried out in here. I got a dehumidifier. Get rid of all this water in here and make it nice. Alright, so I got the interior mostly cleaned out. Got all that rubber stuff out. But yeah, it's starting to look good. These front floor pans I was a little bit worried about, but it's actually these two rear ones that I should have been worrying about. But these are simple patch jobs, they shouldn't be that hard. All you gotta do is just order the pans. For my bucket seat application though, it looks like I'm gonna have to drill a hole in there and a hole in there. Possibly. I'm not sure yet, but I mean, for a typical bucket seat, that's where you'd usually place them. But I'm gonna continue this video later. I'm gonna get the dehumidifier. I'm gonna get the door closed first, and then I'm gonna get the dehumidifier in here and start going, and I will catch you guys when this is all dry. Alright, so I let it sit for a day, had the dehumidifier in here, and kind of let it all dry out, and yeah, it's definitely dry now, but I'm gonna quickly vacuum this stuff up, and then I'm gonna kind of get an assessment of what actually needs to be replaced under here. So, I pretty much got everything out of here now. There is a small rust hole over here, and there's quite a bit of a rust hole over there. I'm actually going to show you. So yeah, there's this rust hole. I mean, you can definitely tell that's clear down to the, it's all the way through. I mean, I could probably just push right through it, but I'm not going to. And then I've got another rust hole right over there. Probably really hard to see that one, but it is there. So these two rear floor pans are going to have to get taken out and then replaced, but pretty much, I mean, these other floor pans seem fine. They don't look too bad. I doubt that they've ever been replaced. I don't think any of the floors actually been replaced. But yeah, they look good. I might just grind them down, just try and get all the rust out of here. And like I said earlier, there's this weird sticky stuff. I'm guessing it was meant to keep the carpet down. It's almost like gasket maker, but not. I don't think it is gasket maker, but it does feel like it. But I think I'm going to end this video off here. If you guys liked it, please hit that like and subscribe button. It will really help me out. And I will catch you guys in the next video.